Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for you. This time around it isn't going to be on a purse or anything of that nature. It is actually going to be on makeup. I'm very excited about this one. I haven't been excited about makeup in a very long time. And I did kind of go over that in my community tab recently when I revealed a picture of myself because I haven't posted a picture of myself in a while. But anyways, I wanted to hop up here and go through these items with you. I will probably just do a few swatches on some of them. That way you can get a good view of the consistency as far as the pigmentation and things like that of the products. In the past, I have made an order via Beauty Bay, and I had an issue with the shipping, and it was just a whole bunch of back and forth with them. And it's been about 3 years ago, and I just decided when I was looking for new makeup that I was going to give them another try, and hopefully everything is what it's supposed to be this go around. So let's go ahead and open this box. I have been looking forward to getting this package. I have been stalking the tracking on this one. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hopefully, I didn't even slice that well. I don't want to go too far down in the box. Okay, there we go. Okay. So this is how it is packed. Hopefully you guys can see that. I was kind of hoping there would be a little bit more like stuffing in there. So hopefully nothing is broken. Otherwise that would be very upsetting. I'm going to just go with the first palette. This is the Fiery 2.0. It is a 42 color palette. It doesn't have any pictures or anything of it, or what the palette looks like on the back. So we're just going to go ahead and open this. I'm glad that there is bubble wrap on the actual palette, because it would have a better chance of surviving the mail. Okay, I hope this one is not broken, because I was really looking forward to this one. I'm gonna try not to blind you. Okay, yes, we are good. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Let me take this film off. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am very excited about this. So let me do a few swatches real quick. Let me spray my hands first. I got some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hands because we're not about to do all that contamination, especially since I touched that box. So I'm not sure which ones I should go for. I'm kind of thinking something in here. So let's start off with this one, which is called Lipstick. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh my gosh, you guys see that? Hopefully my lighting is okay. I didn't want to brighten it too much because I didn't want it to cast any shadows or anything. Hopefully you're able to see. The next one is called Rush. This one is called Laces. This one is a little bit harsher, like harder. As you can see, it didn't even really swatch that well, so you're probably gonna have to dig into this one. Yeah, that one's not swatching as well. This one right here is a little bit creamier. This one's a little bit harder. It's soft, but it's a little bit hard. And then this last one is going to be Kisses. See, now that one's really pretty. Let me turn up the light just a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Let me close this real quick. But I am very excited about this palette, and especially the rest of the makeup. But I am gonna just go ahead and, I didn't get any wipes. Let me grab some wipes real quick because I don't want to get this all over my clothes and the rest of the items. So let me go wipe my hands real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I cleaned off my hands, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next palette. I am just gonna stick this to the side. Just gonna have to stack it over here. Hopefully nothing gets knocked over. So the next one is going to be the Berries palette. Once again, 42 colors. It's another one. All of these palettes, honestly, I've been looking forward to. I pretty much got all the palettes that I wanted. I missed out on the smoky one, which is okay. It had a lot of cool tones and stuff in it, grays and, you know, that type of family. I believe there might have been some like blue grays in there. I'll try to see if I can get that next time. I'll just keep my eye on it, but I have been looking forward to this palette as well. I thought the colors in here are really pretty. I'm going to try to turn down the light some. Hopefully it's not showing. Okay, let me see. Hopefully it's not showing the colors in the wrong way. It's kind of like dull on the camera, it looks like. It's not really giving true to color, in my opinion. But once again, these colors are really beautiful. Let me try to swatch something that is not similar to what we had in the last swatch. I'm going to go with this one right here. This one is called Soda. It's a really sparkly pink. It looks like it has some iridescence in it. So, okay, that is very soft. That is really pretty. I didn't really dig into it, but you guys can get the gist of it all. It is very pigmented though, I must say that. What else can we swatch? Mold. Let's swatch this one. It's like a smoky purple. And maybe this deep purple right here. Hope you guys can see that. That one's pretty. Oh yeah, I really like that one. That is a really pretty purple. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Let me adjust the lighting again. There we go. Hopefully it's showing true to color. I can't really tell right now. But, okay, so I'm not going to go ahead and swatch all of them. I just wanted to show you what I got, and we'll go from that. Let me go ahead and get this off. I don't want to get it on my clothes. So the next one is going to be the Rich palette, and it's once again 42 colors. Let me get rid of this plastic. Here we go. So far so good. We don't have any broken palettes, and I pray that none of them are. Okay. Ooh, now this is so pretty. Yeah, I'm so happy with my purchase. All of these are just giving what they were giving online, in my opinion. I feel like the pictures online were pretty accurate to what you're getting. This is so beautiful. Now this is a really nice neutral eye palette. It has a little bit of purple in there. Got your pink right here, smoky purples, and more of like a plum color right in here, like a brown purple mixture. This one's a pretty purple that has like a reddish hue to it. That's really nice. I'm looking forward to using all of these palettes. This has really gotten me excited about makeup again. I'm very excited about that, and I haven't had that feeling in so long. So I cannot wait to play in these. I might hop up here and do a few makeup tutorials using these palettes. This one is called Botanical, and this one right here, I love some green eyeshadow. I just feel like it looks good on everybody's skin tone. I love it on my skin tone. I love to wear my green eyeshadows with orange lips and orange blush. I feel like it complements my skin tone nicely, and that's my favorite way to wear it. So, okay. Yes, I love this one too. You guys, I am in love with these palettes. So pretty. Ooh, I really like this color right here. It's a purple, but it kind of casts like a gold. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but it's a really pretty color. This one is called Waterfall, and it is so pretty. Look at that. OMG, I am excited. So excited about this. Okay, I believe this is the last palette. Yes, it is. I only ordered 5. When I originally placed my order 3 years ago, I was I placed the order for a vault. They sell them in like vaults where they sell them like in a set of 8, and I think the other one is like a set of 6 or 5 or something like that. But this time I had to order them individually because the vaults had already sold out. So this one is called the neutral palette. I think the only one I'm missing is the smoky palette. There might be another, I think natural. They have a neutral and a natural. And I think the natural one is the one that I don't have. And then the smoky one. I do have some other ones that I had bought the last time when I placed the order 3 years back. So I don't need their it's like a matte one that has a bunch of bright colors in it. Look, okay, now this is really pretty too. However, it does kind of remind me of some of the colors that are in the botanical palette, but nonetheless, this is gorgeous, you guys. If you are able to snag these off of Beauty Bay, I will leave the information in the description box. Pick them up. It's really good makeup. If you're into like having a variety of eyeshadows, I would say that I'm a palette type of person. I love to have a good palette that kind of gives me some of everything that I would need to do a look, whether I want to do smoky, something dramatic, or something soft and, you know, or natural looking. It is easy to just grab a palette that has pretty much everything you need, or maybe like a second one for like a pop of color. But I love palettes, and I love them when they're like this, and then when they're very pigmented. I love a good pigmented eyeshadow. So yeah, you guys, for the most part, that is going to be it. Sorry for flashing, you guys. I'm not trying to blind you, but I am so excited about this makeup. I think I'm about to go wash my face and prep it, and I'm going to start playing in this makeup, trying out some looks. I don't know which palette I want to go for just yet, but I'm just so excited about this. This has gotten me excited about makeup once again. If you guys have any of these palettes already, please tell me how it's going for you, what your thoughts on of it. Well, what your thoughts are on this I guess makeup brand, I should say, by Beauty Bay. I absolutely love what I have so far. I do enjoy the other palette that I have. I'll show you the other one so that way you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. Let me go grab them real quick. Okay, y'all, so on my first order 3 years ago, I got 3 palettes. This one is the bright matte palette. It does have 42 colors in there as well. I haven't really used this one as much as I have the dark fantasy. I'm not really into like matte eyeshadows, and that's pretty much what this is, but I plan to start working more with matte eyeshadows. They can really enhance a look, especially if you're doing like an old school Hollywood type of vibe, cut crease type of look. It is really pretty when you work with like a matte eyeshadow. And I'm going to show you the next one. Okay, once again, this is a bright matte. This one is called the Nude Mood, and they do not have these up there anymore. And this one I think is sold out, and I think there's 2 versions of this one. This one right here, I played with this one a little bit, mainly with the neutrals up here and like this brown. I haven't used the yellow, which is really pretty, and this pretty color right here, which is called Passionate. But I love this palette as well, especially the neutral shades, and I need to utilize these more actually. But once again, this one's called New Mood, and then this is the one that I use the most, and I pair this with other eyeshadow palettes or stuff like that. Don't mind this right here, I got it wet. But this one's called Dark Fantasy, and this one has some really pretty colors in there as well. Absolutely love this palette. I love the purples that are in here. I love this pink shade. I use this brown. This brown is really pretty. And this brown right here, this one is called Hoax. It appears a lot different on my skin tone than what it looks in the palette. And I really do like it. It comes off really dark. And so that's a good way to put in your crease for like transition and deepening your eye looks. I really do like that shade. This one is really pretty. I like to use this as an all over shadow. And this one is called, let me see, Reality. And then this purple right here is called Grunge. Now this one right here has a little bit of shimmer to it, and this one's called Nightmare. Now I love to use this one on the waterline or the lower lash line, and in the inner corners for like a pop of color. And this black right here is very pigmented. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted to give you an overview of the Beauty Bay palettes that I have and introduce you to some new makeup in case you haven't heard of them before. Okay, how am I going to put this without like speaking bad on the company? Like I said, my first time I ordered from them like 3 years ago, somewhere around there, my customer service experience wasn't that great. But it's been like a little bit of time. Sorry for keep hitting this box, y'all. And so I gave them a second chance, and right now I'm very pleased. So I won't really speak bad about the company. Maybe it's just a, I don't know, one time thing. I don't know, but yeah, right now we're good. So you can take or leave that info. I don't want to pressure anybody into buying anything, and I'm not getting paid. I spent my money to get these products, as I do all of the rest of the items that I show you guys on this channel. I spent my own hard money with it, so hard earned money on it. But yeah. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little something different. I think I covered everything. It looks like I opened up all the palettes and I showed you, did a few swatches on it. That way you can get a feel of what I'm working with. And I hope you enjoyed this. Take care and God bless. Bye.